we stand today like we always dreamed, starting out our life together. The light is in your eyes, love is in our hearts. I can't believe you're really mine forever. Been rehearsing for this moment all my life, so don't act surprised if the feeling starts to carry me away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand, take my hand, and I will honor every word that I say on this day. Not so long ago, this earth was just a field, a cold and lonely space without you. Now everything's alive.
Mike Anthony Epuan and Jennifer Ross Ortega, in the bonds of holy matrimony. We are here to witness the miracle of God's love and the power of the Holy Spirit of God to join the two into one. Forsaking all others, gaya ng matagal mo nang ginagawa, and cling only to her for as long as you both shall live.
I do po, Pastor.
Ikaw naman din, you take this man, si Mike, to be your husband, love him, submit to him, forsaking all others. Matagal mo na rin ginagawa. Cling only to him as long as you both shall live. In Genesis 2 verse 24, for this reason a man will leave his father and mother and be united to his wife. They will become one flesh. You may now take your seats. You may now take your seats. The most special moment of the ceremony, because this is where we treat it as sacred. So, kung ano man yung
Jennifer, knowing it is the God will for me, I will marry you. I make a commitment to you today. It says, to love you with unconditional love. I will be faithful always to you, never leaving you nor forsake you. I will give, I will guide, I will provide, and I will protect. Manininig ako. As a fellowship of God, grace, I commit myself to God's plan for my commitment to co-labor with you in the building of our church and the advancement of God's kingdom until the day Jesus returns in all His glory. Ayun, sa 16 years, ang dami nangyari. Sabi mo, hindi pa namin nakikilala si Lord. 16 years, 10 years masaya, yung 6 years, hindi masaya. Pero yun, tawa ng Diyos, ayun, dito kami nagsusumpaan para sa aming pamilya at para sa Panginoon. Ayan.
rings are the signs of covenant. Mike and Jen are. This ring is the sign
is the sign
of the covenant.
Covenant of the covenant
I have made
with you today. To love you. As a placing on your hand. And you receive it. You acknowledge that you are no longer your own, but mine.
It's the sign of the covenant I have made with you today. To love you
with an eternal love.
with eternal love.
As I place it
As I place it
on your hand,
on your hand
and you receive it,
and you receive it,
you
you acknowledge
that you
that you
are no longer
are no longer
your own,
your own,
but mine.
but mine.
On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand. Take my hand, and I will honor every word that I say on this day. Not so long ago, this earth was just a field, a cold and lonely space without you. Now everything's alive, now everything's revealed, and the story of my life is all about you. Oh, if you feel the cold winds blowing through your nights, I will shout to you, I'm forever here to chase your fears away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand. Take my hand, and I will honor every word I say.
Powers vested in me pronounce you man and wife. What God pure and holy before God and one another. And Mike, now that you have already taken the responsibilities of being the husband, the father, and everything else, you may now, as the official husband of Jen, you may now kiss your bride. This is Mike and Jennifer Edwards. Congratulations.
I surrender my heart. Here I stand. Take my hand, and I will honor every word that I say on this day. Not so long ago, this earth was just a field, a cold and lonely space without you. Now everything's alive, now everything's revealed, and the story of my life is all about you. Oh, if you feel the cold winds blowing through your nights, I will shout to you, I'm forever here to chase your fears away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand. Take my hand, and I will honor every word I say.
Sana ay maging maganda ang pundasyon ng kanilang pagsasama at magbahalan sila ang Panginoon. At mahalin nila ang kanilang mga mahal sa buhay lang.
Sana kay kaaway, hindi kami tumamda na lamang kami niloloko. Hindi kami nag-away. Maganda ang pagsasama namin.
Sa kabilang nag-aaway.
Salamat po sa kabila.
Dumating pa rin ang panahon. Tanggapin niyo ang araw na to. Ito ang pagpapala. Dito sinasabi pagpupunta ang buhay. Kasi hindi na kayo dalawa kayo. Isa na. Kasi na-bless na kayo ngayon.
Ang ilagay ninyo palagi sa isip ay ang tiwala at ang pagmamahal. Katulad ng may awa at pagmamahal. Yung mercy, huwag ninyong awalaan si mercy. Kasi when you have mercy on your life, ay alam kong nasa tama kayong daan. Unawaan lang at huwag aalisin ang tiwala sa isa't
handang bumabay at tumulong sa inyo. Ayun, congratulations and God is the best thing na ginawa mo. Even 6 years na kayong sasama, binigyan mo pa rin ng ultimate na dangal, si Jen. Binigyan mo siya ng isang magandang kasal. And then sana, tanong ka rin Jen, alagaan mo siya. Kung gusto mo babayaan, pag-alaga ko yung dalawa, hindi mo ang congratulations.
Time of happiness, of love for love. Good luck sa inyong pagsasama. God bless. And thank you for having us.
Mike and Jen, I just wish you both happiness and may you continue the fire burning as you grow older, as your kids grow. That's all. Congratulations.
Ako naman, Mike. Kung nag-message ka sa akin, sobrang happy ako kasi kumbaga parang after 16 years, ito na yung commitment ninyong dalawa kay Lord na ginawa ninyo kung ano talaga yung tama at saka kung ano talaga yung pinapagawa niyo sa inyo bilang Kristiyano. So, masaya ako para sa inyo sana masustain ninyo yung covenant kasi nasabi ni Pastor Gilbert kanina. So yun, God bless you more sa journey bilang mag-asawa. And may the Lord continue to bless also the whole family and your children.
Nakita ko naman yung pagsasama niyo sa loob ng 16 years. Matatag naman, lalo pa ngayon at nakasal na kayo. Kaya yun, congrats sa inyong dalawa.
Na-provide ng Lord yung lahat ng mga pangangailangan ninyo. And at the same time, talaga namang alam mo na yung pangyayari nito, God has orchestrated these things not to happen. He is naka-anchor lagi sa Kanya kasi kung mag-sustainment kayo, nakastand pa rin.
Kung meron kayong hindi magkakaunawaan, alam niyo na, saan buka, alam niyo na rin kung hindi niyo lang yung paano kayo nagkita. So, nandun na yun. Tapos, may lang na sabi ko sa Nicole.
Pare, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Kami, mga pagkakato mo. Sama mo sa mga naging witness yung love story mo. Ako, personally, kaka ako kay Jenny. Kung paano ka rin. Kung paano ka rin naging 16 years. Talagang hindi na bigo yun. Nagdaanan mo. At wala na kami ibang hinihiling pa kundi lalo pa maging successful yung family nyo. Siguro sana madagdagan ka rin isang baby mamaya. Ayun lang, congratulations at sana hindi lang ito.
Saka lang talaga. Saka yung love. Yun. So, yun lang kasi makaiyak ako. Hi, Mike. Happy wedding. Thank you for being one of my true friends. Kasi, saksi kayong dalawa sa love story namin, mag-asawa. So, thank you nandun kayo kahit sa mga holidays namin, sa
moments na pag kailangan natin sa'yo, pag kailangan